Piana here with Century 21. I'm taking this video in the inside of a property we just closed on, representing the buyer. This beautiful 3-bedroom, over 1,700 square foot townhome in Costa Mesa, literally across the street from South Coast Plaza, Nordstrom's, Crystal Court. If you guys are looking to move up, if you guys are looking to move down, looking for that second home, rental property, doing a 1031 exchange, these are great times for investing. Inventory has increased. We've got some more homes to take a look at, ability to maybe get a better deals, and it's just an all in all good time for buyers and sellers right now, to be honest with you. Give us a call, 714-745-0896. Alexander Piana, the Piana team, experience results.